Eighth grade into math, module 16, multiply decimals. Who can buy a ticket? 4 friends want to see a show. Each friend brings a bag full of coins to pay for a ticket. The ticket costs $20. Hint, $20 equals 2,000 cents. Which of the friends has enough money to buy a ticket? Okay, so Penny has 2,316 pennies. So we can just convert that to dollar form by moving the decimal over twice. So she would have $23.16. To find Nikki's, we're going to have to take 382 times 5 because there's 5 pennies and 1 nickel. So 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 1 is 41, put the 1, carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 is 19. Then we move the decimal over 2 places. So it would be $19.10. Then Dimitri, we need to figure out how much money he has. Now, there are 10 pennies in 1 dime, so we're going to take this times 10, and when you multiply by a unit of 10, you just add a 0 to the end. So technically, he has 2,170 cents, which converts to $21.70. Carter, we're going to take 83 times 25 because there's 25 pennies in a quarter. 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. Mark off the 1, mark off the 5, put a 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 8 is 16. And then we're going to add them. 5, 7, 10, carry the 1, 2. So Carter has, we move the decimal over 2 places, $20.75. Okay, the first one, how do you find the number of cents each person has? So we just did that. We took them times whatever their respective amount is in cents and then converted it into dollars. So which of the friends has enough money to buy a ticket? It would be Penny, not Nikki, Dimitri, and Carter. How can the 4 friends share their money so that everyone can buy a ticket? So clearly Nikki did not have enough, so she wouldn't be able to buy a ticket, but these other guys have extra. So they could have given them some of their money. So Carter probably could have done 25 cents. Penny or Dimitri could have done, oh, I spelled that wrong. Dimitri, and there's no E here. Dimitri could have done 30 cents. Oh, 30 cents. And Penny could have done 35 cents. So then basically they're sharing kind of equally. Now, some of them could have given a little bit more and been fine and still had money for their own, but this was kind of an easy way to easily share the money so that they weren't all donating too much. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. Multiplication facts. Find the product. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 10 is 90. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 6 is 42. Add whole numbers, estimate, then find the sum. Okay, so we would add 386 plus 246. So 12, carry the 1. 12, 13, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6, so 632. Then we would estimate 386 to 400. We'd estimate 246 to 200, and we would get 600 as our estimate. Over here, we'd add 346 plus 35. So 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. And bring down the 3. So 381. And then 35, we would estimate to, you at least want something for it. So in this case, we could do 100. Or you could do, actually in this case, you're close enough that on the second one that you could do 50 here and do 350 over here and then get 400. Next one, 579 plus 82 would be 9 plus 2 is 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 6, so 661. And then you could estimate this to 100 plus 600 equals 700. And then, of course, that is a good answer because 700 is close to 661. Next one, 463 plus 96. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So our actual answer is 559. Estimate would be 500 plus 100 equals 600. And then those would be close because 600 is close to 559. Multiply with 3-digit numbers. So they want us to find the product. So this is kind of what we did on the last lesson, except for we just had where we added in decimals later. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 is 23. Mark off the 3. Mark off the 4. Put a 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. And then add 8, 8, 7, 9, 1. Come back in and add the comma. So our answer is 19,788. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Mark off the 1. Mark off the 1. Mark off the 3 and put a 0 so we can move to the 10 spot. 7 times 5 is 35. Put a 5. Carry the 3. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Add it. 5, 5, 7, 1, 3. So our answer is 31,755. Next one, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Mark off the 1, mark off the 2, and put a 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Put the 6, carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Add it together. 2, 12, carry the 1, 14, carry the 1, 6, 1. 16,000. Let's see, 16,422. 3 times 4, or 3 times 8 is 24. Put the 4, carry the 2. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Carry the 3. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 3 is 67. Mark off my extras up on top of regrouping. Mark off my 8, put a 0. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. Carry the 2. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 2 is 42. 4, and add these. 4, 9, 8, 8, 4. So my answer is 48,894. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 3 is 48. Carry the 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4 is 24. Mark off the 4, mark off the 3, mark off the 5, put a 0. 9 times 6 is 54. Put the 4, carry the 5. 9 times 9 is 81 plus 5 is 86. Carry the 8. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 8 is 44. 8, 12, carry the 1, 11, carry the 1, 7, 4. Our answer is 47,000. Oh, and that wasn't an 8. That was a 0. So this was a 0, not an 8. Okay, so our answer is 47,120. Next one, 3 times 7 is 21. Put the 1, carry the 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Mark off the 3. 2 times 7 is 4. Oh, we got to put 0 to hold our spot since we're going to the 10 spot. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Add 1, 6, 7, 4. So our answer is 4,761.